Hey y'all, so I just installed this beautiful Burmese curly half wig from Curly Me Hair and I'm obsessed. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I install the wig. I have my natural hair out at the perimeter. I didn't have to put any heat on my hair, so I love that. I think it's going to be perfect for this spring and this summer. This is literally my very first impressions of the wig. It was very easy to wash and detangle and super easy to install. So if y'all want to see that process, keep watching. First of all, we love beautiful packaging. This wig is 24 inches. It is the Burmese curly. It also came with 2 wig caps and of course just some instructions on how to install the hair. This is what the hair looks like before it was washed. Very pretty curl pattern. I would consider my hair like a 4B, so I was interested to see if it was going to blend well, but it did, so I love that. Comes with 3 clips, one at the top, 2 on the sides, and then a removable band to tighten up the wig. Okay, let's do the easiest install ever. I did not show myself braiding down my hair because I feel like it's just super simple. If you can't braid, then you can just put it back in a bun and it'll be fine. I flat twisted my hair on the sides where my leave out is going to be, and I use flexi rods or perm rods to just make it a little bit curlier. And I did 1 big acre braid at the front. Later I realized that this braid was too thick because there was a big hump at the front when I tried to like put it up, so y'all will see me do that. But I'm just installing the wig now. Again, very simple. I like the wig band so I can make sure that it's super secure, but honestly this wig was very secure without the wig band as well. And I am just clipping in the clips at the top and on the sides. A lot of people say that this can like pull out their hair, so you do not have to use the clips. This will be secure without the clips, so you don't have to. My hair is really thick and I left the braid really loose so that it wouldn't pull too tight on my hair, so it is up to you. And now I'm just unraveling the twist. If you really want to make your hair more defined, I suggest using like a mousse and just do this every night. Like, so you can just get up in the morning and go. Even if you don't want to do it at the end of the night, you can just, you know, put a headband on if it's not super defined anymore. But yeah, I love how easy this is and how I don't have to use any heat on my hair, because as y'all can tell, my hair is very short in the front. Like, it has broken off so much, so I'm trying to grow my hair back out, and hopefully this half wig helps me to do that. Now, this is probably the most tedious part, and it's simple. It takes like 2 minutes, and I'm just applying edge control. I like to use the Cantu, particularly the Style by Angela line. It's the best, and it is super moisturizing. It's not a super strong hold, but it's really pretty and moisturizing, and it gets the job done. So this is my preferred edge control. Use whatever you prefer. Another thing that I love about this half wig is that you can do a side part, you can do a middle part, you can wear it with a headband, you can do a half up, half down. There's literally just so many options. I feel like the hair is like very heavy, so I'm just going to add some layers to the front of the hair. And I've learned my lesson when doing layers. I try to do like small sections and start there, and you know, start low and then come up, because you don't want to take too much off. So I'm just gonna start about, I want it like right here, so I'm gonna start like right here. Ooh, already looks better, right? So I'm just gonna take a little bit more. Should I take a little bit more? Let me get my big mirror. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit more from right here. Ooh, so y'all see that just kind of like adds some shape to it, so it's not so like heavy. I could honestly probably do even more layers, especially at the top where it's super full. just gonna do a little. And here we go. This hair is so soft. It is, I showed y'all when I washed it, it was very easy to detangle. You can tell that it's like great quality hair. Not a lot of shedding, really pretty natural curl pattern. But I'm really looking forward to enjoying this unit during the spring and the summertime. So let me know what y'all think below and if y'all will check it out. If y'all want to purchase this wig, I will include the link below. You can grab it from TikTok.